Hello, my name is Benjamin Zinn, and I'm going to talk about the Hayward Gibbs Hill Scholarship Portfolio and propose a suggestion on how to increase its value. So at first I took the historical prices of each stock in the portfolio and calculated the average return and risk, and came to the conclusion that Krispy Kreme Donuts is the most riskiest stock of the portfolio, and Pfizer has the least amount of return. Now it looks like Krispy Kreme Donuts has an alright average return for the portfolio, but actually if we take the overall return from 2015 to 2002, it actually has a return of negative 56.21%. So it suggests dropping these two stocks and substitute them with Apple and Microsoft. Apple has 3 times higher average return than Krispy Kreme Donuts and it's 3 times less riskier. And Microsoft has a way higher average return than Pfizer and is a little more riskier, but the return makes up for it. So then I took the original portfolio and calculated the market value of each stock and calculated the total value of the portfolio, and also calculated the weights, and calculated all the way back to 2002, and the overall return on the portfolio from 2015 to 2002 is 84.23%. Now that might look great, but the market return was actually 97%. And then I took the time and I experimented a little bit, and dropped the two stocks, Krispy Kreme Donuts and Pfizer, calculated their market value back in 2002, and which was $36,125, and added these $36,125 and invested in Apple and Microsoft. So here I have 2 examples. One time I used 824 stocks of Apple and then 1,000 stocks of Microsoft, and then I used 493 stocks of Apple and 1,400 stocks of Microsoft, and the results are pretty astonishing. If we invested from the beginning, 2002 to 2015, the portfolio value would be today $2,315,000 or $1,742,000 instead of $826,000, and the overall return would be either $415,000 or 415% or 288%. Then I did it the reverse way. I took the market value of Krispy Kreme Donut and Pfizer of today, and which was also 36,000, didn't really change much, and calculated back, and we would have only needed to buy 15 stocks of Apple and 100 stocks of Microsoft to get the same market value of the portfolio today. It's 826,000, and the market value is 826,000, but it has a high return of 99.33%. So then I went on to calculate the return on each portfolio. Here we have the yearly prices. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Here we have the yearly prices of each stock, and then the return. And over here we have the weights of each portfolio. And here are the returns. This is the original portfolio, then this is the portfolio with 823 stocks of Apple and 1,000 stocks of Microsoft. This one has 493 stocks of Apple and 1,400 stocks of Microsoft, and this one is the portfolio that started with 15 stocks of Apple and 100 stocks of Microsoft. Well, we can see each portfolio has a higher average return. The two portfolios that have a really high return also have higher risk, but they are 3 times more profitable. And the portfolio with 15 stocks of Apple and 100 stocks of Microsoft still has a higher average return and also a lower risk. So this was my presentation on the Hayward-Gibson-Hill Scholarship Portfolio. My suggestion is to drop Krispy Kreme donuts and Pfizer and add Apple and Microsoft. I enjoyed working on this project, and thank you.